Our body is made up of more bacterial cells than human cells. We have a whole bunch of bacteria in our body. And digestive system, right, is made up of a whole bunch of bacteria. Those bacteria, some of them are helpful. They are the gut-loving, healthy bacteria in our digestive system that help with digestion, that help with assimilation of our food, that help with absorption of nutrients, and a whole bunch of stuff. Without these bacteria, we cannot digest a lot of stuff and we cannot move a lot of things out. Our digestive system will be way out of balance and we cannot produce a lot of the enzymes, the enzymatic processes that happen in our system. We cannot produce a lot of it. We can even if we produce it, there wouldn't be those bacteria that are going to be helpful for the usage of the foods, like fiber, for instance. We need the fiber. A lot of the high fiber foods that we eat are turned into prebiotics. So prebiotic are the foods that the bacteria eat that makes the bacteria to be more energetic, more alive, and more vibrant so they can support our digestive health. As somebody who is trying to be pregnant, especially in your fertility and your TTC journey, it is very important that you check your digestive health. That is one of the things. After your dental health, your digestive health is the next step. So if you are paying attention to everything else, the first thing you should start paying attention is your dental health when you're trying to be pregnant, and then your digestive health. It says our digestive health and our digestive system is our second brain, okay? So if our brain, that's all that it does, the second brain is our digestive system. If our digestive system is not in a healthy state, then it's gonna really not be fun, especially health-wise, right? So we want to keep our digestive system very healthy, very accommodating, and then also we want to make a whole lot of that healthy bacteria that supports digestion. Like I said, healthy digestion helps with absorption, assimilation, and then also absorption of nutrition, and it keeps us very moving, right? If you are somebody who doesn't go to the bathroom very frequently, then you have to check. There is a problem there, right? For 2 or 3 days, if you are not able to go, oh my God, there's a problem. If you're not taking a medication, if nothing is causing you to be constipated and just for nothing, you are not really moving bowel, yeah, there's a problem. You need to check that, okay? In pregnancy also, it's very important that you have healthy digestion, because a healthy digestion for a mama determines the healthy digestion of your baby. If mama's digestive system is not very healthy, there's likelihood that baby is also going to have an unhealthy digestive system, right? Okay, so as mamas who are pregnant, you want to make sure that you are in a very good state digestive wise, okay, and you are encouraging a whole lot of your healthy bacteria by feeding yourself with probiotics and prebiotics. Like I said, prebiotics are the fiber, the good fibrous stuff that goes into our body to help feed the healthy bacteria, all right? And then the probiotics are the actual thing that make the bacteria, right? So they are they make the bacteria grow more, right? They make the bacteria grow more, like in yogurt, right? There is a lot of probiotics. Yogurt is a probiotic food. Greek yogurt is a probiotic food because it has those bacteria in it, right? That encourages the growth of all the bacteria that supports healthy digestion. And in postpartum as well, if you are breastfeeding, you want to also have a healthy digestive system because, like I said, in pregnancy, it determines the health of your baby and then also the health of the digestive system of your baby. It's the same thing when you are breastfeeding. When you're breastfeeding, the health of your digestive system determines the health of the digestive system of your baby. And then when you have healthy digestive system, it helps with all the absorption. So what do you think will happen? Baby is going to get the nutrition. All the nutrition that you are getting from food, baby is going to get it in a very wholesome way, right? There wouldn't be anything that is hindering it. It's going to get it right away. Wanting to have a healthy digestive system, color is your biggest thing. If you are trying to be pregnant, to bring it in, whatever it is, red onions, yellow pepper, green pepper, blue pepper, whatever, purple cabbage, all of those things are color. So bring them in and eat them as much as possible. They have a whole lot of antioxidants that are supportive for your cells, your mitochondria, because your mitochondria is your energy source, right? That's where your cells get all their energy. And then also it doesn't age the cells, right? Antioxidants help to not make the cells age as quick as possible.